everybody, welcome to chapter 1. In this chapter, I'm just going to give you guys a brief intro. So the first thing I want to talk about is what we're going to be learning in this course from here on out. So the first thing we're going to be learning is we're going to be learning how to study. I'm going to be talking about all the different ways that you should be using your brain and your capacity to learn to really give yourself an advantage over everyone else who has been doing it wrong. The techniques that I'm going to be talking about throughout the class are going to be very, very helpful. Study is not just a thing that you're going to learn overnight. Just like many things, being able to learn effectively, it takes a lot of effort. Which brings me to the next thing, is I'm going to be talking about in these chapters is I'm going to be talking about practicing how to paint. The different ways that I like to practice. I'm going to show one of them in this video lesson, and I'm going to talk about how I like to do this and do this between my paintings and before or after, kind of warm up and just really give myself an opportunity to test my skills and really understand if I'm improving or not, or if I'm getting better. And also talk about design as well, design and how to practice that, because you should also be practicing design separate to painting. And then I'm going to also demonstrate to you guys how to do your homework. I'm going to go ahead and this is going to be a real-time video where I'm just going to go through it and walk you through every little step on how to actually do the homework and how it should look and how it should feel. And that way you guys have a really good gauge on what that could be and what that could look like for you as well. And then I'm going to talk about the goals and what we're going to try to achieve in a very short video towards the end, and there'll be a bonus video in which I'll just kind of cover what will happen in the future, what you guys can expect if you just trust my advice. The homework might seem like a lot of just grunt work, but if you trust me, you will reach to this point where you can paint paintings in less than an hour and two and have them have a very high quality, high standards, good design, and very, very focused. And so if you trust my instincts and you trust my advice, you will get through this course really well. And with that, let's go ahead and begin. I'll see you guys in the next chapter.